Today I'm with Clay Cummings from Academy Mortgage, and Clay's going to tell us what's going on with rates. What's happening out there?
Well, what we're seeing right now kind of started 9-10 years ago when the Federal Reserve stepped in and started quantitative easing, which they were basically going and buying mortgage-backed securities to keep interest rates low no matter what the economy is doing. Because typically when the economy is doing well, interest rates are increasing. So rates had not been as volatile over the last few years to market conditions because the Fed has been buying them. So what they've done as of recently is that they are no longer buying the mortgage-backed securities, and they've also hiked rates, so you're seeing rates now act in a more natural state.
So what's going on now is more normal?
Yeah, absolutely. So in the last few years, if there was information that came out or technical data that came out and rates should have increased, because the Fed was buying so many mortgage-backed securities, they weren't really changing very much. Now you're going to see a lot more volatility in the rate market and the bond market.
So what's the positive spin on that of mortgage rates going up? There's a positive side to it, right?
Well, there's a couple things. Is typically when the economy is doing well, rates are going up. So a lot of people, if you've got money invested in the stock market or 401ks, most people are seeing really good returns right now and have for the last couple of years. The other thing that people need to consider and look at is talking to their CPA, because mortgage interest is tax deductible. So for people in different income brackets, you're going to have a bigger benefit. So that's something I would talk to your CPA about as well.
And they're still pretty low. What was your rate when you bought your house? 10 years ago?
It was a little over 10 years ago when we bought our first house was 7.5%. So they're still quite a bit lower than that. If I was still in that rate, I would be refinancing all day long.
So it's still a great time to refinance and buy. Call me.
Absolutely.
We'll go find you a house, and then we'll call Clay and get you pre-approved.
Sounds great.
Actually, get you pre-approved first, and then call me. But anyway, just call us. So thanks, Clay, for telling us about
Thanks for having me.
rates. Okay, that's it for the Real Estate Minute. I'll see you next time.